guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you're already a subscriber. If you're not and you're brand new here, please join our community at Becky's Big Life Hacks each week for Dollar Tree hauls, organization videos, DIYs. I do hope that you will hit that subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up because it does help my channel. So today we're doing a big Christmas haul. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm going to start off today with these gnomes. Is he the cutest? And I picked up both of them. There was this red one and there was this gray one. These are really big, you guys. I'm just going to set it on the floor next to me so you can kind of see how big it is. See that? And there's the gray one. They're so cute. They have this like wintry scarf on and they're, you know, like beanbag style. So I did get both of these guys. Totally love them. So be on the lookout for these. They're brand new. Have not seen them before. I don't know if they were out last year. This was more like fall, but I was looking for this. And sorry, my bags are falling over. I was trying to keep them out of sight. This pumpkin type mason jar, and it's pretty large. I did not see the ones that they have in the orange, but I did find this one, so I grabbed one. Okay, let me go ahead and go with the ornaments. I bought this because I do want to make a wreath with some of these rose gold Christmas bulbs. So for $1, I mean, you guys, it's a lot. And very pretty. So I'm going to be looking for more because I'm going to need a lot. So these are some of the miniature ornaments that I found, and I think you get 16 in this one. These are rose gold, and I'll probably add those in with that wreath that I'm going to make with the medium-sized ones, and then maybe I'll pick up some larger ones to put in there as well. So there's those. And then let me show you all the ornaments that I found really quickly. These are nothing new. I've already seen people hauling these, but I just want to share them anyways. The little trucks. I wanted the blue ones, but I did not find them. So there's those. And this I thought was so cute. This door. I don't remember seeing that one at Dollar Tree last year. So it's pretty large. It looks like it's probably about 5 or 6 inches. And I probably won't use it as an ornament. I'll probably DIY this. So there's that. And then these. I was going to add those into my wreath because they're rose gold. Yes, they're glittery. I'll have to put some hairspray on those. And I found these ones. So I got these ones, these really big ones like this. And I don't know what I'm doing with those, but I might just take these off and put them into some like table decor. Yeah, they're pretty though. So there's those. And then these little white, like, I don't know, furry ones. That's the only thing I can think of is furry. And they had some plain ones that didn't have this like silver like metallic in it. So maybe I can find just the plain fluffy ones. So there's those. Oh, here it is. So there's these skis. And it says ski lift on it. And I thought this was so adorable. And that will probably not be used as an ornament either. I'm going to DIY this one. And this sign that says Holly Jolly. I thought that was really cute, and I thought this could be deconstructed or just put into a wreath. So I found those. I think these are great ornaments. I don't remember seeing these at Dollar Tree last year. And then there's these clear ones. I picked up some of these Gingerbread Guys. I think I bought 2 of those, yes. So I thought those are really cute. And these would be really cute with some like hot cocoa in them, placed on your coffee or your hot beverage bar, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I got those. because I want to do something with my coffee bar for Christmas. I got these little buffalo check socks. I thought those looked really Christmassy. And then I also, these ones aren't really Christmassy, but I liked them because they have the rubber things on the bottom, you guys. And anybody who knows me knows that I am very accident prone. So I have hardwood floors and I have slipped before. So these are great for me. So there's those. And there's a lot of these out right now, the Snuggadoos, and I like them a lot because they're really thick. And then I found these really cute tree collar, I think they're called. And I got this one. This says Farm Fresh Christmas trees. Christmas tree. Which I probably won't keep that or use that side. I may do something with this side. I don't know. And then I got this red one. Those are the two that they had. And these are both really cute. I like that they're giving us multiple options this year. And I don't even know, did they have these colors last year? Because if they did, I didn't see them. Comment below if you picked any up last year and tell me if they were the same ones or if they had different ones. Because I feel like Dollar Tree is kind of like, you know, stepping everything up this year. Now this isn't Christmas, but I did find this new like ombre basket and they had it in gray as well. Those are the only two colors I saw. This was the only one I picked up, but I thought it was cute. Okay, I have to show you this little bell. It says ring for coffee. And I found this. This was a fall item, but I thought it was really pretty in that navy. So grabbed that. And the snow globe, and they had 3 of these, one with Santa, one with an elf, and this one with a snowman. And this one says peace, and one of them said hope, and the other one said love. So if you bought them as a trio, they'd be really cute to put out. So I picked just the snowman up, and I grabbed some more of these pillar LEDs because they're super expensive at Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Joann, and they're only $1 a piece at Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree LEDs are super awesome. I use them all the time. Okay, moving on. These pink buffalo check, the higher ones, and they also have the rubber on the bottom. And come on, you know I have to have pink buffalo check. So, haven't seen those before. Okay, these signs, these wood signs, the super thick ones. I love this. It says Merry and it has like a reindeer on the end. These are great for DIYing and they're pretty large. So I got that one. These were the only 2 I could find, was the Merry and the Peace. And that one has a tree in the middle with a star. So I grabbed both of those. I love Dollar Tree so much. I got some of this tulle in the Snowflake. And I will be looking for some other ones. I wish they would come out with this in pink. If you're listening, Dollar Tree, make pink, okay? Pink Snowflake tulle. Also picked up, okay, so I picked this up, but to my dismay, I got it home and it said LED, and there's no LED in there, so I guess I picked up one that didn't have one. This is why you really have to check things when you're taking them off the shelf at Dollar Tree, because a lot of things get broken in transit. So anyhow, it's not a big deal. I probably won't even take it back. I'll just put in a little LED in there, and yeah, it's fine. It's cute anyways. It's a pretty little church, like in this kind of like, I don't know, clear, like crystal, like plastic, frosted. I don't know what you call that. So there's that. Oh, this little snow owl I thought was adorable, and my daughter pointed out that he looks very Harry Potter-ish. I don't think that's a word, but if you're doing a Harry Potter themed Christmas tree, how cute would this be hanging up there? I would love to do that one of these times. Harry Potter themed Christmas tree. think that would be really cute. So I found the miniatures, the little town miniatures. And you guys, is this the cutest? Some of you may have already noticed that in my thumbnail that I was holding one of these. Here is the other one. So I can't hold them all, so I'm going to set them here for one sec. Let me grab the other two. There's this one. And the church, you guys, I'm in love with the church. This is the cutest little chapel. So I could try my best to hold them all up. Let me see if I can do it. So you can at least see the 4 that I found. And if you're really into Christmas villages, miniatures, these are super cute. And they're only $1 a piece. Okay, so that right there tells you Dollar Tree is awesome. And then these are some of the things that I got to go with them. They had the green trees, but I picked up the white. I did not grab all of these, and now I kind of regret it because I feel like these are going to be one of those items that flies off the shelf. So here's some of the little accessories and people, street lamps that go with it. And then there's this adorable truck with the trailer, travel trailer. And there are these people. Look like they're sledding, having some fun. And then this Christmas tree, and it looks like the mailman, postal worker, whatever you want to call them. I don't know if mailman is politically correct at this point, but postal worker sounds kind of scary. So those are the ones I found. So again, keep your eye out for these. Put them on your wish list. Let me know in the comments below if you are putting them on your wish list. I did not see those last year, but that doesn't mean they didn't have them. It could just mean that I got there too late. And then I bought 3 of these as a trio. These wood, I don't know what you call them, wood cutouts, but they're thick. So I thought these would be cute. And my sister actually had a really cute idea of putting like pictures on these. So that's something you could do. You could Mod Podge these too with, you know, like the craft paper or scrapbooking paper. That's what I was trying to think of. So there's a lot of different options for those little trees. And so pick those up if you can. Now, but there was a snow globe in my stuff and I don't know where it is. So that's what this is for. I got the snow to go in it. I think I bought 2 or 3 bags and I don't know what's going on. I must be missing a bag or something. So I'm gonna have to look and come back to you. Okay, you guys, so I don't know what happened to the DIY snow globe I had to go with this. I couldn't find it, so I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And until the next time, you guys, stay hopeful, stay positive, and above all, always stay kind. Goodbye.